Neurofibromatosis. Introduction. Neurofibromatosis can cause tumors to grow on nerve tissue in the nervous system. Where can these tumors grow? Choose one of the following options. 1. Brain. 2. Peripheral nerves. 3. Spinal cord. 4. All of the above. Correct. Does neurofibromatosis always cause the same symptoms? Select yes or no. Correct. Most people with neurofibromatosis only have mild symptoms, but these symptoms vary depending on which type you have. Neurofibromatosis is caused by genetic abnormalities. Select true or false. Correct. The genes that cause neurofibromatosis may be inherited or they may happen spontaneously. Do all of the tumors caused by neurofibromatosis become cancerous? Select yes or no. Correct. The tumors caused by neurofibromatosis are usually benign, but in some cases these tumors become malignant or cancerous. There is no cure for neurofibromatosis. Select true or false. Correct. Neurofibromatosis treatment focuses on healthy growth, easing symptoms, and managing complications. Thank you for using Explain.